Hey guys, Cole Roth with MarineMax Naples. Today we're on Bertram's newest model, the 39 center console. This particular one's powered by Mercury 400 V10s. As we notice to the starboard side of the boat here, we have a nice easy walkway to go in and out of the boat. This door pops open. Plenty of transom area to walk around, catch fish, whatever you like to do with it. There is a freshwater shower back here also. With this door closed, we move over to the back transom here. We do have a retractable seat. If you do want more fishability, the seat is electric and it will pop up out of the way. We have twin live wells up top of the transom, twin fish boxes in the floor on either side, as well as your bilge area in the middle here. Once we move over, this option is unique on the boat. It is our aft grill with sink that can double as a freshwater shower. Once we close this hatch, we'll move forward to the dive door, which makes getting on and off the boat from the water super easy. We do have a ladder that pops into there. And then when you want it closed, it's as simple as shutting it. As we move forward to our seating area here, you'll notice aft-facing seating, which can be used for trolling, or if you're just anchored at a sandbar, everyone can sit back here and have a good conversation. Underneath the aft-facing seating, we do have a storage compartment, which is insulated and on a drain so you can pump out water. On the back of our hardtop here, you'll notice plenty of rod holders, as well as our aft-facing shade, which on a switch will extend out to the transom to keep everyone protected from the sun. As we move forward to our helm area here, you'll notice our four-person seating. This is unique because Bertram built this boat with a 13.3 beam, which is larger than any other boat in its class. As we come up to the helm area here, you'll notice a nice black acrylic panel, houses our twin garment screens. Over on the starboard side here is our Mercury joystick, which has key features like our skyhook, which we're in right now. It'll keep everything it'll keep the boat within a 10-foot radius, whether you're fishing over a reef, waiting for a restaurant, or just want to kind of hang out in one area and watch the sunset. Moving forward, we have our Mercury throttles, which you can see on the side here is equipped with Mercury active trim. Just in front of that, we have our Lenco trim tabs, which is next to our bow thruster here. You'll see plenty of clean switches, all nice and labeled, as well as a little cup holder compartment storage. As we go down in the cabin, you'll notice plenty of sleeping area with storage underneath the seats as well. We do have some storage cabinets as well as a microwave and a sink and fridge on the starboard side of the boat. We do have our AC panel stored up behind the cabinets, nice and clean. Gives you easy access to everything. This boat does have a large stand-up head with shower. And then we'll head up toward the bow of the boat. As we move to the helm of the bow of the boat, we'll notice the high gunnels, which makes for a nice smooth ride on the way to your fishing spot or just cruising your favorite sandbar. One thing you'll notice is our 3 to 4 person lounger up front here in front of the console. We do have armrest and cup holders on either side with additional storage underneath. As we spin around towards even the front of the bow here, you'll notice additional bow seating up front with storage underneath, and then a clean anchor locker for our windlass. This has been a walkthrough tour of the Bertram 39, powered by 400 V10s. Come check us out. My name's Cole at MarineMax Naples. We'll see you then.